People's Party government. This is a time for us to develop consensus. This is a time for us to address the grave issues and challenges facing our country and the very imminent dangers that the law and order situation, the very imminent danger that the law and order situation places the citizens of Pakistan in. And this is the job for the government, Mr. Speaker. The onus is on the government, Mr. Speaker. The onus is on the Parliament, Mr. Speaker. The onus is on all institutions. The Supreme Court has taken a decision. What steps are being taken to maintain law and order? What steps are being taken to protect our judges? What steps are being taken to protect Asia Bibi? There is no one here to answer our questions, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, my grandfather was assassinated. My uncles were assassinated. My mother was assassinated. My governor of Punjab was assassinated. My federal minister for minorities was assassinated. So I appeal, Mr. Speaker, I genuinely appeal to all political parties within and outside this House to show some responsibility. We cannot afford any more tragedies. We need our Prime Minister, we need our Interior Minister to do his job. I wanted to come here today, Mr. Speaker, to hear from my Prime Minister, to hear from my Interior Minister. I did not share some of our opposition party members' criticisms of the Prime Minister's speech. I expected him to deliver a speech today along the lines of what he said yesterday, and for me to be able to say कि कदम भराए इमरान खान हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, हम जमहूरियत के साथ हैं, हम इंसाफ के साथ हैं और हम rule of law के साथ हैं, Mr. Speaker. The government, the PTI-led government, and particularly our Interior Minister and Prime Minister, needs to take his responsibility seriously. He needs to take this House seriously. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.